Welcome back to the next video, and in this one we're going to do a teardown on the 2003 YZ450. And about a month ago I blew it up. It happened at the track, in the air, hit the rear brake, didn't clutch it, killed the motor. When I came down I ended up pop starting it in second gear, and I mean it ran fine for about an hour after that, but then it just started, like, it sounded like a knocking noise, and I was able to wiggle the Kickstarter a little bit. And when doing that, it moved, but then it just meets again and locks up. So it seems to be piston on valve, but I don't know for sure yet. So we're going to tear into it and see what it looks like. So currently we're down to just inspecting the timing. The timing marks on the cams and the crankshaft, which everything appears to be in spec because there's the H and the I. So next I'm going to stick a borescope down the cylinder, the spark plug hole, and see what that looks like. Looks about like bottom dead. Have not contacted anything. Can't tell. That's a witness mark. I'm looking at this right corner, and I'm trying to decipher if that is a witness mark from contact, the valve hitting the piston. We're down now. The motor's most of the way apart, minus the cases getting split, and have not yet found the issue. If we actually just rotate the piston and the crankshaft, no issue though. So there's no binding with the crank or the counterweight. And then when I put the clutch basket on and then spin it, it hits a spot and binds up. Now if you spin the transmission, and neutral's fine, back and forth, and then it shifts through all four gears and there's no issue. What actually caused this whole issue was a little bit of aluminum got scraped off by the idler gear from the crankcase, got wedged in the clutch basket gear, caused a knocking noise. Here's another picture circled in red. That is the aluminum right there. That bike has now been sold. It's been about 3 years since I took these original videos. The engine teardown and rebuild on the YZ450 will be starting hopefully this week. Stay tuned.